Hello students, good morning, good afternoon and good evening. Welcome to another session with FX Kalapanzi. I just got a great trade of the Euro US dollar and I thought I'd share with you guys. I'm going to show you very quickly, this is my trade. I'm going to show you how I arrived at this position so you see how I find my trades and how I place my trades. Alright, very quickly, I'm going to go over it. Okay, so this is how I found this trade. Like you already know, I started my analysis from the monthly just to find the direction. And when you look at the monthly, what do you see? Let's see how this goes. Open it up a bit, we can see, sorry. You can obviously see that this market is in a range, a low here and a high here, came down to this low and came up to this high. Now, if you watch very carefully, you see that the market moving from here went all the way up here. It came to mitigate entries, all that's around this area. From there, it pulled back down. And while going down, it came to mitigate this area also, the last down move before the up move, which is this one. So the market had to come back into this region, sorry. The market had to come back from this high all the way into this region, close out some buy orders here before taking prices all the way up into the north. And when going up to the north, it doesn't just go all the way up. I had expected market to U-turn somewhere around here, so that was my target, this other block here. So, and then we had the market come all the way up into this other block and gave us this very nice U-turn here, which we're experiencing now. Market has gone back to test that level and then it's expected to fall all the way down to somewhere around here. Okay, so we're going to break it down real quick and you see what it looks like. Okay, let's clean this up a little bit so it looks clean enough. So we therefore agree that here on the monthly, we have the market has gone all the way into our point of interest and U-turned and has gone back to test that level and is expected to drop drastically all the way down to the south. Now I'll move on to the lower time frame and I'd like to look at very quickly. I'd like to go very quickly into the daily chart. If you look at the daily chart, what do we see? Now, let's see how we caught that move. Now if you look at the daily, you see that that level from which we got that POI was here, and this is that POI. But the market was expected to come and give us a reversal inside this zone. The market came smoothly into it and we see that reversal. Now that reversal came right from this high, and if you come here, remember what we say, the last down move before the up move is the move to watch out for when you're going up, and when you're going bearish, the last up move before the down move is the move to watch out for. Now this is the down move. This is the strong down impulsive move that took out all of this level of liquidity, all of this structure, came all the way down to this level. Now the question is, where's the up move that brought that down move? And this is it. This is the up move here. So how do we deal with that? First thing we need to do is to mark out that level. So we mark it out this way, and yeah, that would be our level. So that was the level we're to watch out for. So this would go, so delete this, and then we zoom out so we can have that level spread or stretch it out to where we expect the market to come to. Now this was our analysis from earlier. Now the market came very beautifully into that level on the daily, and yes, upon entry into that level, we will now decide what next do we do. How do we confirm reversal? Because the market has come to test that level, we expect the market to reject at this level and go down all the way to our target, which is way down somewhere around here, and possibly get into this area here. Okay, so the question is, how did we anticipate this reversal, this rejection by the market to push prices down? So I'm going to zoom in real quick and I'm going to show you. Now if you look here, you'd see a lot of Wyckoff is playing out here. If you don't understand Wyckoff, do well to watch out for one of our sessions on Wyckoff, where we'll hope to do a good job and you can get to learn a whole lot in there. Okay, so we see the market coming here and we're having the rejection just right here. You'll notice that it is beyond 50% of that zone. So what do we watch out for? We go down to a smaller time frame and see the reversal. Okay, so let's go to the 4-hour and see how this plays out very beautifully. Just taking you back into retrospect just to see how we move through all of this. So the market came down, took out this level here, took out this other structure, came down, and if you look at it on the daily, you'll see there's a major break of structure on the day. Let's go back to the daily so you see what I'm saying real clearly. Yeah, we can see, okay, the market pushed back and came to this other block that brought this strong impulse to the north or to the upside, and then came back down to test this level, and the market went just a bit below that level, rejection zone. That was our rejection zone, and we saw the market play out the rejection beautifully. We anticipated all of this move, this down move, this up move, and we see how the market went through all the way from there. We had followed this move all the way from down here into the north, expecting it to come and culminate inside this area. And the market gave us just that. Now, notice how the market went so beautifully up into the north and then came back into this level where it gave us just what we were looking for, hit a high, and then rejected a little bit, have a break of market structure, which you will see better on the 4 hour. Let's go to the 4 hour and see what it looks like there. Okay, we see the market tap into that level at where is it? Just a minute. So we see all of this move in that level. So you see the market came into this level, pulled back, struck that level again, pulled back. We saw the break of market structure, market pushed down a little bit to fill up this imbalance, which you will see better on the 1 hour. Let's look at the 1 hour. Remember, the market always moves from other block to other block. From other block to other block, and while moving from other block to other block, what does it do? It fills up imbalance. You see the strong move, we have this imbalance here, and the market beautifully came down and filled all of that imbalance completely. While going down, it might create some imbalance, try to create some here, but not exactly. And the market went right up through all of these highs, cleared out these highs, so we can clearly see liquidity above these levels. You see, looking like equal highs, market ground of that liquidity above here, which is now giving us what I will call our U-tide. If you understand Wyckoff, you understand what I'm saying. Okay, so that gives us a high, which we expect market to fall all the way down, break this structure, give us a pullback for a retest. Expect to see something like this. Market has come all the way up here. Market should come all the way down, take out this level. So this will be a break of structure, pull back here into this other block for a sort of test, and then go back down, and price should from that point go crashing downwards. Now this is on the 1 hour, but we're going to go deeper, and we're going to be going deeper into the 15 minutes. Because we expect an early break of structure that will push us all the way down here to give us the 1 hour break of structure, and then we'll look to go all the way down. Okay, so that's how I found this trade. So I moved down to the 15 minutes, and what did I see on the 15 minutes? This is the break of structure I expect to see on the 1 hour. Let me just mark it out. This is the major break of structure for the 1 hour. But before the market can come to break the structure, it must break smaller ones inside here and come all the way down. Okay, so I looked at this on the 15 minutes, and what did I see? I saw the market going up, coming down. Let me zoom this, open this up a bit, so you also see what I see. Okay, so we can clearly see the market came up, pulled back, and crashed through this, breaking this structure, crashed all the way into the north, and that can be seen as a good break of structure. Now a U-turn at that level, market came down and took out this level of structure, and we can therefore see that this market is ready for a reversal. Okay, it was at that point that I brought in this other block here, telling myself that the market, having broken this structure level, should begin to crash, and crash real good. But let's look at it on the 5 minutes so we have a clearer perspective. Now if we look at that at least on the 5 minutes, we can see we have an up move, a pullback, an up move, taking out liquidity above these highs. So this is now our premium high. Market came down, broke this structure level, came down all the way here and pulled back into this other block here. Market has tapped into this level and is crashing down. So this is my entry. I'd waited for it, and I entered just at this point here. Okay, so sorry. Here was my entry, and put my stop loss just above this high. Entry is at 1.22170. Stop loss above the high at 1.22237. And yes, my take profit level, I expect the market to go all the way into this 1 hour other block, and so I'm having a take profit at 50% of this other block, which is at 1.21526. You might prefer to have yours at the open of this point, or even all the way down here, but to be on the safe side, I like to put it just in the middle. And I have a nice 1 to 9.67 risk reward ratio. Excellent trade. With a 1% risk on this trade, I will be getting 9.67 on my account, which means if I'm risking $100 on this trade, I'll be closing this trade with about $967 in profit if it goes my way. Remember how we trade, we'll always watch out for partial. So as you can see already, the market having come to this level, I've taken my first level of partials here, and I watch out to take another partial from this point, because we can never say for certain where the market would go. We can only speculate. The market We can only the forex is a game of probabilities, so all you can do is to do your analysis and try to see where the market is likely to go to. So the highest probability of market direction is where we choose to trade. Doesn't mean that you are 100% sure that the market will go in that direction. So expect the market to go all the way down. I've partial out here. As the market progresses, when the market gets to this level, I look to lock in profit. I'm already at break even here, so I'm risk free on this trade and expect the market to proceed, crash all the way down, take out all of these levels, see a good deal of imbalance around here, which I expect the market to come to fill up all of this. The market must fill up this and get down to this level, and then we should be looking for possible reversals enter here until the market back up, test this up move here, or another pullback that will be seen here. We'll have another block. The market might go this way, pull back up, and then crash all the way down. So this will be another block which will expect the market to pull back and come and test that level, other block at this level before prices crash all the way down into the sun. For whatever it's worth, this is a good trade entry. I'm already break even on this trade, so which means if the market goes against me into the stop loss, I won't make a loss on this trade. I'll go home with a little bit of profit, and that is fine. All right, guys, that is the much we can take for now. Try to keep it short and simple, making sure it's not cumbersome, making sure the video is short so you can look at it real quick, even while walk or taking a cup of coffee, and you can understand the direction of the market for the day. Wishing you a great trading day and a profitable trading day too. This is FX Kalapanzi, and I'm out.